Yes, nation people. Right now, it look like the thing kick off right about now. Because a long time, right about now, we not see not go on in a dance hall in terms of like with the ladies them. First thing, the man them coward for war, but right about now, it look like with Shenseea and Spice, it look like a serious thing I got on Gaza Nation. No lollipop thing that they about it. No gimmicks thing neither. What's your nation people? One of them. He go to the old clan earth and got building. Building where the man come on the highlight this way clan. Because so the people that work in America when it comes to technology business. Yeah, no lollipop thing that they about it. But right about now, back to the Shenseea and Spice saga. Shenseea, God, and I said Dolly, and I said Rascal. I choose she look pretty. People judge her because she look pretty. And all of them rascal thing there. Right now, Mama Spice answer back. You see what I say? Aggressive and mad and mean. But Uno know say, between me and Uno, the two of them are our ladies them in dancehall. No formal gimmicks not there in it. But if I tell you the truth, you don't know, you know. Spice, you know, is like Queen of Sheba, you know. The black diamond of beauty, you know. No gimmicks buckler thing that they about it, you know. You see what I say? No lollipop thing that they about it. But we ain't describing about looks right here, right now, you know. I'm saying, right about now, you see, if I go in at the studio and spit some lyrics and spit some song, well then, you know what I mean, it probably go vice versa. You see what I say? Because the two of them good that way there. But you see, if I come up or a Rascal stage show, Shenseea, you cannot match that bumbuckler girl. That girl built her name off a stage show. It wasn't record that girl built her name off of. That girl built her name off a stage show where even the man them afraid of. You don't forgot one bumbuckler here, elephant man, him have to pull out him best in the peak of him career over blood clot jam world. Why don't you think Beanie Man and him friend them did that for Box Spice? Shannon nobody blood clot easy when it comes to stage show. First thing, any lyrics where Shenseea spit, that girl can counteract it instantly and even make the counteraction sound better than even whatever original she spit. Spice and not play blood clotting, you know, me I tell you that, you know. So, me know say, well then the song we should do, but Dolly, probably a Romeich them put it up and maybe one of them all even write the song because them want in the controversy and the hype business. But let me tell you something. And most some true word shit una go on with and run around shit. Una can't serious because me know personally she cannot anger Spice. Not on no bumbuckler stage show business. If a stage show business she do, she flap her ass back. She can't perform like Spice. She don't aggressive like Spice. And she don't hardcore like Spice. And I'm not this her, that's the truth me I tell you about. You see what I say? But here what go on. And the world it's not a plan. You know, watch what go on, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already when we come to represent. A full effect thing, man. You don't know what go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion boat here. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. At the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. The Gaza Nation. Remember, you know, Spice, you know, did underneath Lady Saw wing, you know. I remember, you know, Lady Saw, you know, it's like a man that blood clot behind the mic, you know. Don't mix business that dead about it, you know. Man afraid her like pussy, you know. You have some man, you know, they want to go work after Mama Saw work the stage, you know. Man afraid, you know, my brother. No gimmicks business, she aggressive like that, you know. When it comes to lyrics, you know, style and flow and pattern and every blood clot stage crash, you know, all the shortcut on the stage. Remember, more Spice did underneath our wings. Remember, it's never until the world boss tell Mama Spice, say, yo, come in on my ramping shop, come ramp rough with me. She get a big break and a big international hits. Before all of that, my brother, Spice has been known as a killing machine when it comes to stage show blood clot. This is not the next thing that dead about it. The whole Jamaica know that, and I think by now the whole world know that too. Yes, what I say? Remember all Queen Paula and them blood clot girl, they are afraid when Spice a look a girl and go around and I try call up her name and them shit there. Because what? The havoc what she create from blood clot stage show. Me don't know if Shenseea Romeich them serious, you know. I just hype them and do this thing and fine, you know. But I think, you know, you see, remember saying, you know, it's a new year, you know, and to all, I say, Shenseea them, I Romeich them, I try to start the new year. I want them for the serious. I want them for that give the people them what them want. I make them square off on a stage show. Yo, remember this is not something when me and make up, you know, my virgin, because remember, you know, Shenseea come out, you know, and throw out with the Dolly song, you know, and Spice, you know, return back fire, you know, and be people get wounded and them shit there, you know. You see what I say? So right about now, you know, let me tell you something. If we're not going to keep up that little chit-chat business there, and like some ongoing story chewing world business, it not going to work. But you see, if we're not going to square off on a blood clot stage show, let me tell you something. All of my blood clot, vacative and all of my necessary that have to dep on blood clot. Queen of Sheba, Spice Hamilton, the blood clot, black diamond a dance all. You no can't pass that. I not ask you that. Because it no care who write song for Shenseea, not even the man them what they behind Romeich or the man them what in a where Romeich are the manager from, not even them artists that themselves can test Spice, my brother. Romeich not no man in a crew who can challenge Spice for no stage show business. I not talk no joke shit. I real way me represent no lollipop thing. So I don't know if Shenseea serious or whatever. But let me tell you something. When you go up on the stage show, it's not about your blood clot looks. It's going to be about your performance and your style and what you bring to the people. You're not aggressive like Bumbo Clot Spice. You don't hardcore like her neither. And you don't lyrical like her. Because you can't blood clot build up counteraction lyrics on the stage one time. Because all has been going on. We see you perform the Shenseea, but we not see you perform certain way, my brethren. We don't know if you have it in it. We used to Spice and kill people. All man should do that too, my brother. You see what I say? So just make certain say you're serious with what you do. And no games thing you not deal with. And no true word thing you not deal with and I go around for hype. Because Shenseea, she can't challenge Spice for no sword, none at all. It no matter which way you want to keep it. No joke shit not that about it. She's the Queen of Sheba Bumbo Clot dancer. The black diamond. You hear that? Was ever shine bright. You can't challenge a girl, but a girl like crazy when it comes to stage show. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't know joke shit. And lately, Spice start get Bumbo Clot recognized by doing song. in a blood clot studio and sang for record. Lately, she a blood clot stage show killer, my brother. You see what I say? So Shenseea Romeich, let me tell you something. Don't fuck around if you don't mean it. And not because me I say them things there, you don't feel like so well then me a big side because me hate Shenseea. No, Shenseea my girl too. But Spice is just the queen of Sheba dancer. The black blood clot beauty. The black diamond. And you can't pass that. And that are just the living truth. What? A Gaza way, you know? There ain't no other way. Hey, yo! A 10-star. General. Oh.